Good morning, everybody. My name is Fisher Arbona with Milwaukee Tool, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about our 3600 kilowatt power supply. So just a little bit of background information on this tool here specifically. We are trying to mitigate people's exposure to fumes. So we are making what we would call our equivalency of a generator here that's going to allow you to run different types of tools, different types of chargers, different types of corded tools, and even in some cases running refrigerators, different tools when you're out camping. So there's a lot of different uses that you can have for this tool here. So you'll see that we have those standard prongs right here that you're able to plug in all those different types of chargers in there. We also have USB ports in here for charging your phone, USB-C as well. And then, it's just going to be one of those tools that you're able to use no matter what type of application you're using, even if you're inside or outdoors, and it's going to mitigate that exposure to overall fumes, keep you safer if there's any, those Houston storms or anything that you experience like that. So definitely recommend using this tool. It's going to keep you guys safe, and it's also going to be a really efficient, easy tool to use. Only takes about 3 hours to charge to 100%. So a great replacement for gas that we're really trying to push in Milwaukee. So like I said, this is the 3600 kilowatt power supply.